Dear learners, let us understand the concept of tourism in a new dimension and new way. I am Dr. Amit Tiwari and I am an assistant professor in the field of tourism administration and management. Dear friends, tourism is a vital part of our economy. It is not only the luxury, rather it is the necessity. So let us in today's small short lecture based video, we'll be able to learn what is tourism is, and we will also talk about a basic definition or general definition of tourism. So let us explore. In order to understanding the concept of tourism, let us understand first what is tourism, or do we believe tourism is a process of movement of people or masses from one place to another that comes under one sort of travel. Yes, I am talking about tourism is a phenomena which comes under the belt of travel. Traveling within the different geography for the purpose other than that of anybody's daily routine. That is what tourism is. And I believe as a learner, you have been witnessed in your life that many a time you people are also going to be part of this traveling related journey, and this particular journey makes you a tourist. Tourist is hence a person who he or she is looking for being travel, that is for temporary purpose, for the purpose of leisure, pleasure, fun, recreation, visiting friends, and more or less in an advanced or enhanced definition by United Nations World Tourism Organization, that any such business traveler who he or she visiting the place but not directly earning, rather engaging in tourism related activities of expenditure called tourism. Believe me, tourism is such a process which revives the life. But there is a fundamental question in our mindset that why do people travel? Have you been through this question? Let us answer this question in this second part of this video. To be able to answer this fundamental question that why do people travel, friends, we need to understand the reasons why which people or masses are basically improvised to travel. I believe each one of us in our lives have been through destined to different destinations, and therefore we had witnessed that we used to travel a lot, but this travel have got certain purpose. So why do people travel? There are certain reasons, push and pull factors, or we may state that there are certain reasons by which people are influenced, attracted, and therefore they are traveled throughout those places. So in nutshell, we can state there are certain psychological footprints or pull and push factors which allows a person to be there at a destination. For example, if you are willing to visit the exotic place, you will preferably go to Goa. Or if you are willing to be there at an adventurous place, you will go to the mountains. Or if it is possible, you would like to calm down yourself or relax a bit, you will preferably go to the seashore of Alaknanda or Bhagirathi. Or if you would like to visualize heritage, you will go to Gwalior Fort. Or if you want do such things, you are looking for adventure in your life, you would look for some track, trail, or something adventurous. Therefore, it is the mindset that makes the people travel. I hope you had enjoyed this particular short learning video session. For all such videos, you need to stay connected and you need to subscribe my YouTube channel Gyandhara Knowledge for All segment. I am Dr. Amit Tiwari, Assistant Professor in the field of Tourism and Travel Management Studies. I am a diploma in French and also a PhD supervisor in the field of tourism management. For your UGC NET tourism preparation, stay connected. Please put some valuable comments so that I could contribute online learning of UGC tourism learning program. What you are waiting for? चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर करना ना भूलें. गुड डे.